Everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to show you a very interesting change for all the advertisers online, for all the CPA marketers. New ways are opening and you have to know this. So I just got my What the F newsletter, the affiliate marketing newsletter. You can sign up for free in the description down below. No cost at all, straight delivered to your email every single day. And obviously, I'm not related to this company whatsoever. I've made a video on them before. Their content is just great. I really like it. I think everybody who is in the affiliate marketing space should receive the What the F newsletter. So they talk about Facebook a little bit, not that interesting. This is what for me is most interesting. Chrome is limits on ad blockers. So Chrome is going to relieve us from the ad blockers, meaning while I'm on the internet, like you can see it in my browser, I have my ad blocker on. I hate fucking pop-ups, all that spammy shit. I hate being on YouTube, having to see the pre-roll ads, all that stuff. However, obviously this is a super smart move. Google, Bing, Firefox, all these companies, they run on generated ad revenue, basically. And when they allow ad blockers to happen in their browsers, it increases the user experience, but it decreases the overall revenue. And a business sole purpose, usually, is to make money. So they are, well, they're talking, let's just see what are the interesting changes. So it's about the Manifest V3, which is the new one. The set of changes. It stopped most ad blockers from working as effectively as they do now. The reasons lies in speed. The ad blockers that use the Web Queries API cause a delay in Chrome. All right, that's a good excuse to kick them out and get some more money. As expected, users and blocker developers are criticized Google. Who cares? What it means for you as an affiliate, see, ad blockers go against Google's business model, obviously, because they need money, right? As we do all. Threat to Google's revenue. Makes sense. What do we need? We get more impressions. We get a lower CPM because there's more reach. This solely benefits Google and all the advertisers. For the users, maybe not so much, but who cares? All I care about is the money. We as advertisers, we as CPA marketers get a lower CPM because there's more reach if the bidding stays the same. Cool. So you can clearly see why Google, Bing, and the rest of the family will never block ads outright. Makes sense, right? Because gotta get that money. Firefox 2, which allows deeper ad blocking, still make revenue from Google advertising business, so they all are in the same boat. It's all about finding a compromise between ad revenue and delivering a good experience for users. I just said it. It's super simple. Like every marketer should understand this principle. If you don't understand it, then you would have to develop your business terminology a little bit more. What they want is they want the most revenue and the best user experience, just like Facebook's doing right now, trying to increase that user experience, but also try to maximize their revenue. And you have to find an equilibrium somewhere where these axes cross and you make the most amount of money and you still have the best user experience. So Manifest V3 tries to pinpoint this ideal compromise by simply limiting ad blockers rather than completely stopping them from working. Obviously, this would be the first step, right? I think. So they will try to find a way to get the best user experience and get more money. So here they take a little bit away from the user experience because it's maybe a little bit too lenient and they increase their revenue on their end. Are your ads safe and sound then? V3 isn't effective just yet. It will be though, so the ad blockers will lose power. The call is on users. Will they shift to Firefox? Let's see what happens. I doubt it. Very interesting. So this is a very big announcement I think everybody should be aware of. As I said, this got delivered, let me see, today, May 31st, directly to my email, 1 p.m. Amsterdam time every single day. If you are not subscribed to What the F yet, it is free and you can do it in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.